Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako si Godfrey Quezon and this is my devotion for today, June 2. And ang topic po natin for today is bakit maraming politicians ay corrupt? Inherited corruption. So ano po ba inherited corruption? Inherited corruption po, also known as original pollution, refers to the sinful nature we all receive from Adam. We are not sinners because we sin. We sin because we are sinners by nature. This means po, we totally lack spiritual good before God. We are totally unable to do spiritual good apart than grace. And our thoughts, desires, and actions are naturally bent away from God. We are spiritually dead until He makes us alive. So, papurihan po ang ating Panginoon. So, ang ating scripture for today po is Romans chapter 5 verse 12. Therefore, just as sin entered the world through one man, and death through sin, and in this way death came to all people because all sinned. So, ang ating Panginoon is, alam ng ating Panginoon na lahat po tayo nagkakasala at magkakasala. Dahil nga po yung original sin na tinake po ni Adam, na dahil kay Adam at Eva ay nagkaroon tayo lahat. Kasi sila pa yung magulang natin, diba? Sila pa yung origin ng human beings. And of course, dahil po dito is lahat ng mga tao po ay nagkaroon ng sinful nature kasi napasa nga po sa kanila dahil offspring po tayo nila Eva at Adam. And nakasabi po sa Biblia na gumagawa po tayo ng mga bagay na masama kasi we are bound to sin, and yung sinful nature po ng tao is nakadepende pa rin din po sa kanya kung gaano kalala po talaga. Kasi kung mas malala po yung sinful nature mo, or talaga mas marami kang ginagawang kasalanan, kasi ba ibig sabihin nyo yung spiritual relationship mo sa ating Panginoon na hindi malalim. And ating teaching po for today is the greatest problem of humanity is sin. Kasi kung wala pong kasalanan or wala po tayo ng original sin, kung wala tayong original sin, ibig sabihin rin tayo perfect parang ating Panginoon. Of course nagkasala po si Eva at Adan, kaya lalo po tayo ng kasalanan. So the greatest solution to the problem is Christ, and the greatest act you can do is proclaim Christ. Ibig sabihin